Hi guys, welcome to the finale episode of the Jewelry Design Workshop. Jewelry design discussions aren't complete without talking about the traditional creations across the various regions and communities in our country. We have a variety of designs, but let's talk about 4 regional jewelry that are quite popular. Inspired by the cultural fabric, these designs depict the tradition of the South through peacock motifs and temple designs. This is one such inspired piece. If you take a look closely, you can see the peacock motif. The exception here is that, contrary to the closed setting that is often used in the South style jewelry, an open prong setting has been used for this necklace. The inspiration for the North style jewelry is from the royal heritage it carries. The practice of using heavy jewelry from the royal era has influenced the designs here. Jarrao jewelry, that is polki, also referred to as uncut diamond jewelry, is a typical example here. Enamel work, also traditionally known as the meenakari work, is crafted beautifully on the back and the front side of the jewelry. Simplicity at its best. The jewelry from this region is the epitome of elegant and classic designs. The jewelry is known to use various combinations of emeralds and pearls in creation. So over here we have a combination of emerald and diamonds. The region specializes in the traditional gold rava work, which lends an intricate look to the jewelry. The designs in this region are dominated by creations in gold. They're often light in weight, but extend a heavy look without compromising on the grandeur. This summarizes the 4 typical design creations from across our country. Designs are further modified based on the various communities in each region. Designing jewelry is in reality the art of communication. Each aspect of the design speaks volumes about the person adorning it. There is no optimized process to the designing side, but you can always improvise your style with adequate practice and research. See you soon with a whole new season of learnings and innovations from the world of diamonds, gemstones and diamond jewelry. If you liked the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. The links to our previous episodes are mentioned in the description box below. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon for further notification from IGI.